The main focus of my lab is to study the underlying mechanism of metastatic progression. Usually these metastases are the ones that are going to be causing mortality in these patients, so we're very interested to know how these metastases progress. Megan is a pharmacy student, and she reached out to me to do research. She was very interested from the beginning to be involved in research, and I was quite impressed with the level of knowledge and how at ease she was when she walked into the lab.
I get asked that question all the time, like, why are you in a cancer cell culture lab as a pharmacy student? I think that it's so important that pharmacy students do understand how meaningful it is for them to get into early phase 1 clinical trial work with new drug discovery.
The scholarship that she got over the summer was possible through Giving Tuesday, and we got a scholarship for her to come in the lab for the whole summer. We have tremendous amount of projects at USciences that are really ready for this transition, and this is exactly what this scholarship did.
I felt like it was so meaningful that they gave me this opportunity as a pharmacy student because of how impactful it might be on my future career.
Without this scholarship, we wouldn't be where we are today with this project. Recently we found this biomarker in the primary tumor of colorectal cancer patients, and when the patient does not have this biomarker, they end up surviving at least 14 months longer than those patients that have elevated level of this biomarker. What we see in patients, we reconstruct in the lab as close as possible. So we grow basically little tumors in the lab, and then we look at how they grow, how fast they grow, how well they respond to therapy, and then we have a better prediction of how the therapy are going to do later on in vivo. She basically developed those three-dimensional models that we do in the lab for colorectal cancer.
It really is important when you're a clinical pharmacist to understand how to interpret these novel drugs that come out on the market and to use evidence-based medicine to find your patient the best treatment. It honed in so many skills that I've learned from so many of my classes here at USciences and really improved my confidence as a student. I'm so thankful that they saw something in me to give me this project.